In this video, I am going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart quickly to visualize your project timetable. So this is our data set. Write the task number 1, 2 series. For my chart I want to have start date and task, so I will hold down Ctrl and go to Insert and insert a scatter plot. Remove the chart title. To make this more presentable, copy the task and place below. Task numbers are reverse in the chart, so I will flip it. Click on the Format axis, click Value in reverse order. Remove the task axis. Remove the grid lines. We don't need the year, so from axis option we will take away that. We will go to the number and overwrite and take away the year. Now we have day and month only. Highlight the areas to create borders for the graph. Remove the shape fill and shape outline. Now we will select the series and add the error bars. We don't need the vertical one, so we will select and delete it. When we will click on it, we have options. We need a plus. For error amount, we will enter the range of days on the custom value. Now we will format the bar. We will change the color and make the bars thicker. That's a quick way to visualize the timetable for your project with the Gantt chart. Now copy the working day and paste it here as the image link. And that's it. You've just created your very own Gantt chart in Excel, simple, customizable, and perfect for keeping your projects on track. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Full mailbox with raised flag. Subscribe to the channel for more Excel and data visualization tips, where we solve real-world problems with practical solutions. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.